Okay, guys. Today we're gonna be playing Fnaf. Now, but yes, it should be showing up right. I'll try. Okay. Well, night 4, and I'm just gonna. I am going to restart the game, so don't worry. I have started this. Jackson just gave me a cookie. Hey, okay. I'm recording a video here, and someone just interrupted. Thank you. Hello. I missed. I was wondering if you would enter into this place. Where is he? Oh, there he is. I got not shut down. Okay then. Keep in mind that they were found on very short notice, so questions about appropriateness / relevance should be deflected.
It's in the trunk.
Blah, blah. I take it, I wish I could mute you. I can't, but I feel like it. There he is. There he is. Dude. Nothing is broke down yet.
Yummy. Hi. So how does this
Hi. Wait.
How does it eventually?
Okay, well, I know he's there.
Affect the outcome?
First of all, I believe it's called contact for one thing. Doing that static thing, even though my camera shut down. Because when it statics that much, you obviously know he's there. So learn life. Scott. Oh, heck no. There's a big chance I might be in a big doo-doo. Like a big doo-doo. Big doo-doo. Big doo-doo. Very big doo-doo. Please stop. Please remove.
Home economics.
Oh gosh, that came out of nowhere. I saw you.
Yeah, I can.
Oh gosh. Foxy is a. Oh. Okay, that one was expected. Why did you jump? Okay.
Because I can't really see it.
Economics.
How have I survived? Well, that. This is too much for me to handle right now. Really. First of all, thanks to. If I go through 4, I swear, I will be done with this game. Where is he? There he is. Come on, go. Transport your big, fat body over, please. I really enjoyed that. I'd really enjoy that now.
Hello.
Come on, Blue Boy wants to talk to you.
I see him.
Thankfully, Springtrap is the only one who could kill me, so good.
Yes, I do.
Come on, please go. Oh, really? 4 jump scares. A total of 4. This is not going good. If I actually pass this night and go on to night 5, I'm not stopping.
Not fair. I like your style.
Dang it! Well, what was that? Freddy's 3 people. We're gonna restart the whole game, so don't worry. I'm gonna make a series out of it, so look forward to this. And as always, be up.